All right, so for a lot of you, you may have known that my garage burned down. And yes, whenever I'm talking about certain things, I want you guys to know this. And I lost pretty much, well, first I lost all my motorcycles. Yep, all my gear, majority of my motorcycle mounts because they were still mounted to the motorcycle. So I had to replace them. Now, the bonus of that is that insurance, for the most part, so far, has done what it's supposed to do, which is good. And that means that in a couple days, I'm actually heading to Montreal to pick up a new motorcycle. So I was all like, yay, that's exciting. And of course, what happens is you realize at that point in time that you don't have anything, like no helmets, no nothing. So I had to go out and get myself at least one mount. So I bought this one so I can mount my Insta360 X5 on it for the ride back. So, new motorcycle, you guys will see that. It will be on the other channel. So make sure you subscribe to that channel as well. And normally I do buy all Insta360 clamps. But issue was, again, I'm leaving from now in like 3 days. No, 2 days. So I needed something to get here that fast. So of course I went on Amazon. This one said it would arrive today, which it did. And the Insta360 said that it would arrive on the day that I was already had left. So that one wasn't going to do anything. Plus, this is like $3 less. So I was like, well, I'll save $3. And it's PGYTECH. So, I'm very familiar with that brand. So I figured that seems reasonable. So, again, I've got a lot of experience with the Insta360 ones, their clamp mounts, and I will say, they are fantastic. And again, if timing wasn't an issue, I would have ordered that one. But this is this. And I have to say, and this is kind of the nice thing, is that this one here does come with some extras that I don't believe that the Insta360 one does come with. Because again, if you're going to compete against the original, you kind of have to either make yourself cheaper or make yourself better in some way, right? So we have our super clamp mount. Excellent. We have a PGYTECH sticker, maybe 2 stickers, depending. Cool. We have a, I don't know, come get some other stuff. This is their CapLock action camera quick release. So they got their own quick release system, which is included with this if you so want to use that, which is kind of cool. So first and foremost, if you look at their clamp mount, it is heavy, right? It's heavy duty. I would put this, I can't say it's better. I can't say it's worse. I would say I would put it on par with the Insta360 one for sure, right? It's got nice, you can tell there's nice little teeth in there that it's grabbing onto. So once it even snugs a little bit, right, it's kind of there. Then you can kind of tighten it, which I do like. And then same kind of thing here, right? This should open up fairly wide. I just need it wide enough, of course, to get around a pair of handlebars. So yeah, that's going to be nice and wide for sure. Yes, and that's where it stops. So, I'm not sure what that is in inches. Maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches, somewhere like that. Okay, nice clamp. So I do appreciate that, and that works good. It has the same kind of, quarter 20 thread up here for screwing it in, which is good. And I don't mind the silver. I'm gonna say it is. The Insta360 ones are black. I probably prefer black for sure because my new bike, just like my old bike, is white with black accents. So silver, it's okay. Again, I would prefer black ones. So again, once I have some time, I will be ordering more of the Insta360 ones because I do like the black. But this is kind of the cool part. So it does come with these, and these are, again, their little setup. So it comes with your standard, I always call it a GoPro standard style mount, which is there. But you get this piece, yes? And this piece is kind of cool because, of course, it's their new little locking system. So you just kind of slide that in. Once it's there, you spin that up to lock. It can't come out. Yes, put that on there. Put that on your camera, especially if you have an older, let's say GoPro or something like that, or even an older Insta360 that you may not have a quick release setup for. And then when you're ready to take it off, you just pop this down, which allows this to, see how I can push, which allows this to slide out somehow. I can't remember how I got it. There it goes. But it's even snug to start with, which is great, right? So once again that's in, this slides up like so, yes, which can't push in anymore, which means this can't push out. Yes? Okay. Click, slide. Yeah, it's good. That's definitely this piece here. It's snug for sure. Like that's definitely snug. So there's a little, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a little, two little almost like teeth right there. So that's what's holding into those little latches on the bottom, right? So, okay, I'm down with that. That's cool. And last but not least, they do give you one of these, which has a little cable in it if you want. And this, of course, is for us to be able to use to snug these up and down, get yourself some leverage. Because I can get them nice and tight, 100%. I can get them nice and tight. But then you get them so tight that you're trying to undo them after, and you're like, I can't undo this, which is great for the quick release part. But this gives you some leverage. So you know what? I would say it's a great little kit. It's a nice little kit for sure. For those of us that are, want to put our action cameras on our, let's say, motorcycles or anything that you have that chance that, you know what, they could come flying off, which it can happen. So I like the heavy duty ones for sure. And I like the fact that this one comes with the additional things. Not that I think I'll necessarily use them because I have my own quick release setup, but always nice to have as a spare. And I do appreciate that for sure. Anyways, I'll put links to where I got mine on the old Amazon. And if you guys are at all interested in the PGYTECH heavy duty clamp, I'll leave links down below. And you help support the channel, which is amazing. And it makes you feel better about yourself, I think. Supporting me, sport local. I'm not really local, probably, unless you live where I live. Okay, that's all. I'm out. Be safe, everyone. Later.